In this video, I want to talk to you about screwdrivers, and this is a very basic video, but I'm going to teach you something here. Really easy way to just remember this. And I brought 3 friends with me to help me show you. So here I have Stan, and I have Rob, and I have Phil. Stan, Rob, and Phil. You can remember that, right? Well, this is a standard screwdriver. I mean, some people might call it a slot screwdriver, but that's a standard screwdriver. This is a Robertson screwdriver. Some people call it like a square bit, something like that, but it's a Robertson. And then the star-shaped one is actually a Phillips screwdriver. So there you have it. Stan, Rob, and Phil, and now you know. I'm technically Steve, and if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, it will technically help you.